Here's a quick demo of the updated FastConvert Bitjet to IM2 protocol converter. The new software now takes that dynamic protocol, converts it to a bitmap, and then sends that direct to the printer. The benefit of this, there's only one setup. The setup is all done in the controller, just like a Bitjet. And this is much better than a Bitjet because it's not CIJ and runs a lot longer, faster, higher resolution, 600 DPI. I'll give you a little bit of overview. You now have a printing started button on this as opposed to in the Norwix GUI, so you can stop printing. And that would be if you're taking a break, you want to take the printer out of print mode. Whenever the controller sends a reset, it will put it right back into print mode. So in order to block that on an ECS controller, you would have to do the ignore resets. Otherwise, it puts back into print mode. Other things here at the top, the enable inkjet or ink delivery system IDS turns on the head temperature and manifold temperature heaters, and we monitor that right here. So green would be at threshold where you want to print. Red would be too slow. You got your belt speed. I'm running the machine here, my simulation machine, at 275 roughly feet per minute. Print settings, resolution, and drops. You have 1, 2, or 3 drops. 100 to 600 DPI. We typically leave it in 600 unless you run it too fast. Message number and length, it's diagnostic information. Total printed, that's since last reset, and then this total now increments, and even if you close the software and reopen it, it will remain. So that's total forever. And printer status, and then what is sent back to the controller, emulating a Bitjet. So this is the Bitjet information. A new thing here, when the controller sends a reset, it does clear this box out because you still have this information down here, the bitmap that was sent to the printer. You can hide this if there's an issue where the screen update is causing too much delay. But since we don't have the Norwix GUI running, that shouldn't be an issue. You got the buffers. Another addition here is the lamp control. So unlike Norwix lamp control, which seemed to be buggy, this is very reliable. And over here you have the 3 outputs: lamp, verify, and semaphore, and that tells you what output it is and what the status is. It'll always be on the screen just for diagnostics. I'm going to go ahead and start a demo running, and it's matching the speed of the conveyor. And what I did was I took the verify output and tied it back into the print go input, so that way I can continually run a demo here. And what we're showing here is the dynamic information. Each book could have a different layout in a different spot, different fonts, etc. And I think that's it for this update.